YouTube, what's going on? My name is Austin Hustles, and today I'm going to do a little room tour video. Alright, so right behind me is my door. We got the hoops, everything like that. We look to the right. We got the mirror, baby. Yeah. Alright, now if we look to the left of this mirror, we see this huge shelf that I just cleaned up. I moved all of my eBay inventory into my garage, and then I kept my room right here to simply Amazon stuff. So right here at the top we have our FBA books. We have some more in my storage unit, but these are all the FBA books I have in my house currently. Along with this, I use this for gumballs back when I was doing vending regularly. I can't right now because of our current circumstances, but down here we have MF, Merchant Fulfilled books. These are all the books that I list on Amazon that are Merchant Fulfilled, meaning that I ship them, once they're sold, I ship them to the buyer directly. It does not get touched by an Amazon worker. Down here we have our buybacks, stuff like sell back your book, the ones that I scan and I realize are able to be bought back by these third-party companies. Put them down here, and then if they can't get bought back, I'll put them into this buyback reject kind of shelf, and I'll try again the next time I do buybacks. And if these get rejected, then I'll just throw them into my dud bin. And then down here at the bottom, we have restricted or problem inventory. This is the inventory that I scan and it's good, and I think it's going to be good to sell. But then I get to listing it and Amazon says I can't list it because I'm restricted or there's just some problem in the system. So I throw them down here, and then when I do my next batch of FBA, I bring these to the top, I try again, and probably when I build enough restricted inventory, I'm going to send them with someone who sells restricted inventory. Also worth noting that right here I've got a bunch of packages I got to send out to the post office today, but yesterday was Sunday. I didn't send it yesterday because the post office doesn't deliver on Sunday, so there's no real point to me going. This is a shirt that I have been sitting on for fucking months. I don't remember why I got this, but yeah, I was trying to sell it on eBay. I don't know what to do with it. I don't want to hang it there, but like, fuck, it's an ugly ass shirt. This leads us right into the closet where we're gonna put this beast. So, fuck it. I don't know. Put it right here. My closet's not too organized, but this is where I used to list or take pictures for my listings on eBay. It looked really bad because you see the lighting here is like kind of yellow. It's not white, so the background will look kind of yellow. And yeah, here's my rain gutter regatta trophy. You know, ganging it up at the Boy Scouts. Right here, I got carried on this baseball team. I was literally bottom of the lineup. Fucking terrible. I don't think I hit the ball once. Probably got walked. But yeah, we're chilling. And then we just have my hoodies and shit here. Some pants. Whatever the fuck's up there. I don't know. And then all of our clothes and other shit. Right here we got a Logic poster. Yeah, it's signed too. He was doing this thing back when he dropped Everybody. I think I was in 8th grade. That's probably one of my least favorite albums, but he dropped Everybody, and he was doing this thing for like 24 hours where he was releasing a bunch of like sold merchandise. I ordered this poster and a shirt. The shirt never came in, so I got my money back for that, but the poster came in, and yeah, it's pretty chillin'. But yeah, if you didn't know, Logic is probably my favorite artist. I don't think he's the best, but personally, he's just one of my favorite. Well, this is some shit I'm happy about. I just got a queen bed. I used to have a twin bed, so it used to be like this big right here. You know, just do a line down right there. I used to sleep on that small of a bed, and the feet used to be to right here, and my feet hang off of this bed. You can probably imagine how I felt having to fucking curl up or go sideways to here. Got the Manny Pacquiao because I am Filipino. With just some fucking boxing gloves I got at Ross. Jeez, voice crack. Some boxing gloves I got at Ross a few years ago when I was just boxing with my friends. And here I added this fucking Panthers, my favorite football team. I don't watch football that much, but they're my favorite. Some SB Dunks. I don't wear them a lot because they fucking hurt my feet, to be honest, but I drew on them and I think they're pretty sick. We got Pulp Fiction on one shoe, Rick and Morty on the other shoe. There's actually stuff drawn on the back. I think I've showed this before, definitely, but I don't want to move them. Some Rubik's Cubes. Oh, fuck. Game Boy Advance case I had from when I was a kid. Samsung watch. Fucking Supreme sticker. I don't know why. And this North Carolina shit. Plus iPhone boxes. And then this Rick and Morty Monopoly. Because Monopoly is my favorite board game. Rick and Morty, one of my favorite shows. Alright, now this racing chair my girlfriend got me, I think, for Christmas last year. I fucking broke it. This handle broke. So that's kind of annoying sometimes. We gotta like ghetto taped and fucking strapped down here. Let me move this out of the way. Damn, my phone's blowing up. Hold on. Alright, so move the chair. Here we got our fucking fridge. Got our meal preps in here. Got a re-up. Got the face sticker. You already know. Just installed this yesterday. We have one monitor right here that I have for like, my computer and shit. But I can pull this out. And now I think that's fully extended. Let me see. Now I have a spot where I can just watch or hook up fucking Call of Duty on that bitch and just play from my bed. And then right here, following on TikTok, you saw this, my daily schedule of what I should do in each day and what days I do what. Up here we have just some of my goals and stuff for each business and whatever. Here are all my football pictures from the years, and this ring light my girlfriend got me. We got this little fucking Pokemon setup under the ring light. I got this from the free storage unit haul, the NES and the Xbox original. I'm just waiting on the other ones to sell, then I'm gonna list these ones up. Then we got the Xbox 360. That was my old one. Pulp Fiction, Scarface, some Pokemon shit, Cam Newton, Star Wars. My old Game Boy with, I used to play this Pokemon Fire Red. This one broke, so I actually got this new one on my birthday a while ago. It's another Fire Red. And then another Rubik's Cube. Then we got my jerseys right here, along with, I used to have 2 controllers, but one kept fucking falling off the Velcro. So we just got one controller there now. The other one's in one of these drawers. Got my jerseys, like I said, and another controller. Here we have just where all my money goes. I have one section for like fucking tips I used to get at work. I don't work anymore though. In the middle I have money I would get in hand at Mackay, and then here I'd have all my vending money, so all my quarters and shit. I emptied this all out. I got this in the bag. I gotta run to the bank today to deposit all this. I think I've done one of these videos before, but I moved some shit around. So in case any of you guys were interested out there, here is what my new kind of room looks like after I fucking cleaned everything out. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please go ahead and subscribe right down here to let me. I got some of my older videos. Please go ahead and check them out. But anyway, my name is Austyn Hustles. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'm out. Later.